You see second part of crochet peacock feather applique tutorial. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. See, in first part we have seen till indigo and blue how we have made it. Okay. Now for the further uh, tutorial. Now we need yellow yarn. Indigo is done, blue is done. Now yellow yarn. Now insert your needle in the stitch which is parallel to the first triple crochet stitch. Okay, in that blue yarn, with the help of blue yarn we have made 7 triple crochet stitches. So first triple crochet stitch, the stitch which is parallel to first triple crochet stitch, we will insert our needle over there, grab the yarn, pull through, and we will make a chain crochet stitch. After that we will make one single crochet stitch in each of the stitch using back loop of each stitch, and all around we are going to do same. We will make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch using back loop of each stitch. Okay, I'll just complete this round and I'll show you. Done with the last stitch, join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Here we join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Now see, this loop is on the current loop on the hook. What we are going to do, we will just extend it a bit longer. Remove your needle from there and insert in the down side of any stitch, and that pull that loop from back, pull it up. Okay, so it is not seen, it is like a complete circle. In between you have taken that same loop, or either if you want something very simple, just cut it off and again start with the new yarn. So like it is bit complicated, so better just pull that loop the way I have shown you, and then in the down side of each stitch make one slip stitch in each single stitch all around. Okay, we are making one slip stitch in each single stitch all around in the down side of each stitch. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now see, here we are done with that slip stitch round also. Now further design comes. Now see, stitch which comes parallelly in front of triple crochet, first and last triple crochet, please place marker. Okay, now see this stitch, now see this stitch which is coming parallelly in front of first triple crochet, we insert a needle over there and just take a loop upwards. Okay, now from first stitches which is coming along from first triple crochet to last triple crochet, we will make 2 single crochet stitches in each single stitch. Okay, you, and all stitches we are doing using back loop of each stitch. So starting from the stitch which is parallelly in front, parallelly in front of first triple crochet stitch, from there we will start. We will make 2 single crochet stitches in each single stitch till we reach to the stitch which is parallelly in front of last triple crochet stitch. Please place markers so like it is easier to understand. See, now here we are done making 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch. Those are coming along parallelly along the all triple crochet. Okay, now rest of the remaining stitches we count the number of stitches, divide it by 3, divide that number by 3. Okay, so now in first set of stitches we will make 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Now here we are done with the first part. Now we go for the second part. In second part, the number of stitches they are coming, we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. Okay, see, basically in that we have divided our yellow portion into 4 parts. First one was stitches which are coming parallel to the portion from starting from first triple crochet stitch to last triple crochet stitch. Okay, in between whatever stitches parallelly they were coming, we made 2 single crochet stitches in each single stitch. That was the first part. Then the remaining 3/4, we counted all the stitches in remaining 3/4. Okay, we divided into 3, divided by 3. In first part, uh, so first I already told you that 3 sorry the 2 single crochet stitches in each single stitch, in between those 2 triple crochet stitch. Then second part, it will come 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. In third part, it will come 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and in fourth part it will come 1 half double crochet in each single stitch. Okay, so like first part, 2 single crochet stitches in each single stitch. Second part, 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Third part, 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and fourth part, 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. And when all of this is done, at the end join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch, and we are done with the yellow part. Now see, here we are done with the last stitch. We join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, now keep 2 loops on the needle. One is already there. Make one more loop on the needle, and now we make a black border. So grab the black yarn, pull through from both loops, and make a chain crochet stitch. Yeah, now see, we took that black yarn, pulled it through both loops, make a chain crochet stitch. After that we make one single crochet stitch. Just cut the yellow yarn and make that yellow and black yarn tightly tight so we don't get loose stitches. Now make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch all around. When we reach the last stitch, join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. So first thing first, we will make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now here we are done with a black border. Okay, now what we do, now this is the last step for black border. We will make one slip stitch in each single stitch in the down side of each stitch. Okay, one slip stitch in each single stitch in the down side of each stitch. That's it. So this much was in the second part, rest you will get in the third part. Okay, so I'll just complete this round and I'll show you first. Now see, this is how it looks after completion of that black border. Okay, now we are supposed to do green border. So this is the final piece. I hope so you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha. I am coming up with third part also. You will get that video soon. And along with that, you will get many tutorial on my YouTube channel. Many tutorial. Plus, I am coming up with new tutorial. So please like, comment, share and
Thanks for
subscribe.
watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.